Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. It's time for another cheesecake, and this Terry's triple chocolate orange cheesecake is divine. Not only do we have one type of Terry's chocolate orange in this, we've got three. We've got milk, dark and white chocolate orange. Okay, let's get started. The first thing we're making is the cheesecake base, and we're using crushed up digestive biscuits. Pour in the melted butter on top of the biscuit crumb and mix until fully combined. Using the back of a spoon, press the crumb mixture down so that it's nice and smooth. This is ready for the fridge and it needs to chill for about half an hour before we add the filling. Next, let's melt the chocolate. I'm using a dark and milk Terry's chocolate orange. You can use all milk or all dark or even white, whichever you want. If you don't have Terry's chocolate orange, melt 300 grams of milk chocolate and at the end add in 2 teaspoons of orange extract and it'll be perfect. Melt the chocolate over a pan of simmering water. Let's get started on the cheesecake filling, and we're whisking together cream cheese and icing sugar until soft. You can also use a mix of mascarpone cheese or a mix of both and it'll be great. Pour in the cooled melted chocolate and mix it in until it's fully combined. When using melted chocolate in a cheesecake, it's best to add it now rather than after you add the double cream so it doesn't seize. I'd love to know what your favourite cheesecake is, and you can let me know in the comment section under the video. That looks perfect. Now pour in the double cream and mix again until it thickens up and you see trails in the mixture, just like these. Just be careful not to overmix. This is ready for the tin. This tin I'm using is an 8-inch, 20cm deep springform tin, and trust me, there's no need to grease or line the tin. Tap a few times to remove air bubbles and smooth the top of the cheesecake. That's it, all done. Now how easy was that? This can go into the fridge now for at least 7 hours or preferably overnight. When it's ready, remove the tin and tidy up the sides of the cheesecake with a knife. The cheesecake is ready now for decorating. I'm adding a dark chocolate ganache. This is optional, so feel free to decorate your cheesecake however you like. This chocolate ganache is just 200 grams of dark chocolate, chopped up small, melted with 150 ml of warm double cream. Mix it until the chocolate's fully melted, and when it's thickened up, pour it over the cheesecake. Spread the chocolate out over the cheesecake and let some of it drip down the sides if you like. When the ganache is set, decorate with chocolate orange segments. I'm using milk, dark and white chocolate. Add some sliced oranges and some orange zest strips. To finish off, we're going to use some of these bronze crunch sprinkles. Sprinkle over the orange strips and in the centre of the cheesecake. I love this cheesecake, and just like all my other cheesecakes, there's no gelatin in it and it still sets perfect. Wait till you see how firm this is when I cut into it. There's nothing worse than cutting into a cheesecake and it melting and losing its shape before you serve it. Just look at that, 100% perfect. I hope you try out this chocolate orange cheesecake. This is one of my firm favourites and I hope you like it too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or follow my page. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!